Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a ruby red glass Art Deco exit sign for your building or your office. This something would be hung over a door. It's illuminated, aluminum on the side here. I'll take pictures of it in the still shots to let you know what it looks like when it's off, but very, very cool. If you got some kind of building or office that you would like to add this to, this would be great for your collection.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.